Hey everyone, welcome to Junior's Auto Detailing. This is a new page on YouTube, and I'm super excited to have you here. We dive into everything automotive detailing, whether you're looking to keep your own ride in pristine condition or you're a professional detailer just looking for some extra tips and tricks, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to kick things off by talking about a crucial step in prepping your used vehicle for sale: headlight correction. Foggy or yellowed headlights can make even the nicest car look worn out and can seriously impact the resale value. So, I'm going to show you how to get those headlights crystal clear again, making your vehicle look newer and more appealing to potential buyers. So, grab your detailing supplies and let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest detailing tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. Okay, so as you can see here, we've already started. We've sprayed the surface down with some soapy water. You can use any solution you want as long as it's like a lubricant of some sort with a light detergent. And what we're going to do here is we're going to combine that light detergent with a synthetic clay bar. Now, you can use a regular clay bar in this case. I just like the very light abrasiveness of a synthetic clay mitt or clay pad. I seem to go a little faster with these, and you don't really need a whole lot of aggression here. You're just pulling out surface contaminants. The rest of the work is going to be done by the compounding and polishing in the next few steps. And as you can see here, we've got the compound on an orange pad. This is a pretty aggressive pad. This will be able to really get in there and pull out the most of the damage or the oxidation that is in these headlights that makes them look foggy or yellow. In my case, a little bit of a combination of both, which you'll see in the pictures after. You may not be able to see it as clearly in the video, but when you take that compound combination with a pretty aggressive pad like these Griots orange pads are, they will pull out a very good chunk of any sort of oxidation or swirls or any damage that's on the surface there. Okay, and now you're going to see me apply the polish to a different pad. This is a microfiber fast finishing pad by Griot's Garage as well. Everything I will link down below so that you know what I'm using. A lot of these different companies use different products and they use different techniques. So I try to go for the most minimally aggressive path, basically. So, polish, in a lot of cases, you can get away with just doing that rather than compound. Not a lot of people will use compound, but mine was pretty oxidized. I wanted a little bit of a heavier cut without having to wet sand the surface because wet sanding is going to be your most aggressive. You're taking a lot more material off when you go from about a 600 grit piece of sandpaper to 2000 grit sandpaper. So preferably least aggressive, get the most results that you can. So now you're going to see me apply a UV protectant back onto these headlights because after headlights get restored like this, you have stripped them down to nothing. So now they're nice and clean and they're clear and shiny. You want to protect them. So what ends out creating oxidation, which is that yellow foggy appearance on the headlights, is UV rays from the sun. So they create that lens oxidation, and they eventually over time will just continue to spread. It will do more damage if it's not taken care of, and that's when you end up having to bring your vehicle to me. And what I end up doing is I put, after all that work, you put a some sort of UV protectant on. There's so many different types. They all have different um, instructions. Some of them need to cure for 30 minutes. Some of them need to cure overnight. Like some of them need the sun to activate their actual like protective properties. So read whatever material you have. Right now, I'm just applying a very, very temporary UV protection on there. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Here's some before and after pictures at the end here. If you like this video, just please remember to like and subscribe and hit that little bell button.